guys, welcome back to my channel. To all my new subscribers, you're welcome to my channel, and shout out to all my old subscribers. And in today's video, I am going to show you guys 4 different overnight hairsprays for hair growth. So the first hairspray I am going to talk to you guys about is Fenugreek hairspray. This spray is going to make your hair very soft and moisturized. Trust me, you will come back to thank me. So in this recipe, we need just fenugreek powder or fenugreek seed, glycerin and water. Now for today's recipe, I am going to make use of the fenugreek seed. Fenugreek has a lot of properties that are beneficial to your hair. It helps to promote hair growth, it helps to do a lot of things. And also, if you don't have fenugreek seed and you have the powder, you can also use the powder as well. This is fenugreek powder, but I won't be using fenugreek powder in this particular video. Maybe I'll show you guys how to do it with this powder in my next video. First, I'm going to start by adding warm water to my fenugreek seed. You can use about 1 cup of water to do this, and you can use more than that depending on how full your hair is and how much you can use on your hair. Now I am going to go ahead and transfer this into a stainless bowl, and I am going to boil this for about 10 to 20 minutes, and this is what it looks like once I get it out. As you can see, the fenugreek has properly infused and the seeds are all swollen. That's to show you that they've already soaked up with the water. Now if you infuse the fenugreek with oil, it doesn't really look like this. That's why I decided to use water to do this, and I've been doing this for quite a while now. So I'm going to go ahead and strain the water out, and I'll be right back. Now this is what the water looks like. You can tell from the color of the water that the fenugreek has already soaked up properly with the water. Now it's left for you to leave the seed inside the water for 24 hours, or just go ahead and use this the way I'm using mine right now. Now the next ingredient you're going to add to this fenugreek water now is glycerin. I'm going to add about half tablespoon of glycerin because I don't have enough glycerin right now at home. And after doing that, I decided to transfer it to a dropper bottle, and this is what it should look like. And you can go ahead and apply this to your scalp, apply this to your hair, spray it on your hair, and cover your hair and go to bed. The next one we're going to try is the hibiscus hairspray. Hibiscus is one other important ingredient you have to incorporate in your DIY hair product because it helps to prevent hair loss. It reduces dandruff, it helps to reduce scalp itching, and one more important thing, it acts as a natural conditioner. Trust me, hibiscus makes your hair very soft. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this hibiscus hairspray. So you can get hibiscus powder from a store. This one is the dried hibiscus flower. We normally boil this and add spices to it to make a drink over here, and it's very nutritious and sweet. Now we're going to use this today to make our hairspray. Now I am also going to add 1 cup of warm water to this hibiscus flower, and I am going to boil it. I am not doing double boiling method for this, take note. I am boiling it, so I will transfer this to a stainless bowl, and I'm going to boil this on low heat for about 10 minutes, and I will strain it and come back to show you guys what it looks like. Okay ladies, this is what it looks like. Normally over here we just add spices to this and drink it, but today we are making this for our hair. I am going to go ahead and add glycerin to this. I'm going to add about half tablespoon of glycerin into this mixture. You can use 1 tablespoon for this amount of hairspray, but since I don't have a lot of glycerin, I am just trying to make use of what I have at home. And the next thing I am going to add to this is peppermint oil. I love adding peppermint oil to all my DIY hair products because I love that tingling feeling it gives me. So I'm going to add peppermint oil to this. And also, I made a video a few months ago on hibiscus hairspray, and I used aloe vera and fenugreek together. It was so good. I am going to link that video in the description box. You can go and check it out after watching this video. Now this is the final result. I just transferred this into a spray bottle, and what I normally do is whenever I am on a protective style or not, I just spray this on my hair and leave it. I don't wash it out, and it doesn't leave any kind of residue or smell on your hair as well. Now the next hairspray I'll be talking about is black seed hairspray. Black seed helps in regulating hair growth, so it helps to nourish your hair. It also has great healing properties for the hair. So this is what black seed looks like. You can buy the powdered one, or you can go ahead and blend this into a powder form if you want. Now I am going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of black seed into this bowl. And next I'll be pouring in 1 cup of warm water to this black seed, and I'm going to go ahead and boil this for 10 minutes, and I'll go ahead and strain it as well, and I will come back to show you guys what it looks like. Now this is what it looks like after straining, and note please, you have to use a cheesecloth or a cotton material that is thick to strain this out. If not, you're going to get residues from this. Now the only thing I am going to add to this is my peppermint oil. I added 1 tablespoon of peppermint oil to this. This is what it looks like after transferring to my spray bottle, and you can spray this on your hair overnight and go to bed. Now the last one I'll be doing is our most popular rice water hairspray, but in today's video I am going to use the Yao Women rice water method, and I am going to add grapefruit into my rice water and infuse it. Now the reason why this grapefruit is normally used is to help with the smell of rice water. It is going to help give that rice water a very nice aroma. So first we're going to start by measuring out our rice. You can use any amount of rice you want. You can use 1 cup of rice, half cup of rice, or 2 cups of rice, depending on the amount of rice you have. And you're going to add water to it. There is no particular amount of water to add to this, but let me just give you guys a little example. If you're using 1 cup of rice, add 2 cups of water to your rice. Now I've already washed my rice the first time, and this is the second time. I'm going to pour this water out, and I'm going to boil the water from this rice. I'm not boiling the rice together with the water. I am going to boil the water alone. Now I am going to peel my grapefruit and add it to the water before boiling. So I just transferred my water into a stainless bowl, and I'm going to go ahead and add the grapefruit peel into this water and boil for 20 minutes. And this is what it looks like after boiling. You can already tell that the grapefruit is already soaking up with the water. I'm going to go ahead and pour this into a glass jar, and I'm going to leave this for complete 1 month before I use. You can tell why this video took me so long to do. I left this for 1 month. I'm going to pour it into this jar and leave it for a month before I use this. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to leave this to ferment for 1 month, and I'll see you guys when it is done. So guys, I forgot to film when I was pouring the rice water out, and this is what it looks like. It is right here in the middle, and I used this for my lash wash day routine in my previous video. I'm going to link it in the description box. You can go and check out that video. It was smelling very nice when I got it out. And before I used this, I added a little bit of peppermint oil because I love that tingling feeling. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you try out any of this, then let me know in the comment section and come back to update us to tell us if it works for your hair or not. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.